After trying Winnipeg's newest Japanese barbecue and hot pot, today we're trying something different. A hot and comforting Korean dish, gamjatang. But is this the best in Winnipeg? Hi explorers, it's April Lin from Canada to the world. And today we're here in Winnipeg at Kim Bake Restaurant. We're gonna try their authentic soup dish called gamjatang. Now, the real question is this the best gamjatang in Winnipeg? Let's find out. Come on. Today, we're visiting Kim Bake Restaurant, a small local Korean restaurant located at 193 Isabel Street here in Winnipeg. This place feels really cozy and authentic. It's not a big fancy restaurant, but it has that warm and welcoming vibe where you know the food is going to be good. If you're looking for a real Korean comfort food in Winnipeg, this might be a hidden gem. I ordered one of their popular dishes called gamjatang, and it cost $16.99. This already includes the side dishes and free rice, which is pretty common in Korean restaurants. It's actually one of Korea's most popular comfort foods, especially during cold weather. The portion looks generous and the soup smells amazing. Let's try it and see if this is one of the best gamjatang spots here in Winnipeg. Ano ba yun tayo? 16. Guys, ito nga pala yung maganda kong pamangkin. At siya nga pala ang aking account manager, no? Kaya guys, pag ako nagpo-post sa Facebook, hindi ako yun. Siya yun. At saka sa YouTube. Siya yun, ha? Di ba, ate? Di ba? Oh, siya yun. Sabi sa inyo eh. Here's our order. Ooh, look at this. The gamjatang is really boiling and served super hot for you in a traditional Korean bowl. Just look at that soup. It already looks so rich and delicious. You can actually hear the soup bubbling, and honestly, that sound alone makes you hungry right away. I love when food is served like this because you know it's fresh and full of flavor. Alright everyone, let's dig in and try this soup. So, what exactly is gamjatang? Gamjatang is a Korean soup made with pork bones, potatoes, vegetables, and a rich broth. It's low cooked, which makes the meat very tender and the soup very flavorful and comforting. It also comes with side dishes like seaweed, kimchi, potatoes, and bean sprouts on the side.
sarap ate.
이분들 여기에
거기 지금 바로 앉아야 돼요?
네네.
또 서로가 띠가 되는 순간도 있겠죠. 다툰다 해도 서툰 그 불협화음도 맞춰가면 되잖아. 언제나 내게 랄라랄랄랄랄라 노래가 되는 넌 선율이 돼, 넌 리듬이 돼, 모든 것이 다 사람들은 모두 다 저마다의 주파수로 살 믿음이 돼 모든 것이 다 내 귓가에서 자꾸만 맴돌던 멜로디가 넌 선율이 돼 넌 믿음이 돼 모든 것이 다 사람들은 모두 다 저마다의 주파수로 사랑을 얘기한대 너와 나의 울림은 지금부터 Fall in love 언제나 내게 랄라랄랄랄랄라 노래가 되는 너
One more spoon and
Grabe, oh. I've tried many Korean restaurants all over Winnipeg, but so far, Kim Bake is the best for me. The food here feels really authentic and everything is served hot and comforting. If you love Korean food, this is definitely a place you should try. And honestly, this is the kind of meal you want when you're sick, hungover, or just feeling really cold during winter here in Winnipeg. A hot bowl of soup like this really warms you up. For me, Kim Bake is truly a hidden gem here in Winnipeg. But what do you think? Have you tried Kim Bake before? Or do you have another favorite Korean restaurant here in Winnipeg? Comment below and let me know. Sobrang busog ako, guys. Guys, oh, ubos na. Naubos. Ubos na rin, oh. Yeah.
Pagbubuka pa yung ano.
Diba? Grabe, guys. Sobrang busog. Si Dimple, alam niya kung gaano ako kalakas kumain.
Favorite niya.
Bye-bye. All right, everyone. Here's the total breakdown of our meal today. The gamjadang is $16.99. The LA Galbi bone-in is $17.99. And the 2 Cokes are $4. The total we paid for both of us is $43.66. Honestly, for the portion size, the quality of the food, and all the Korean side dishes that come with it, I think it's really worth it. It's definitely the kind of meal that warms you up especially during winter here in Winnipeg. For us, Kimbake is definitely a hidden gem here in Winnipeg, and we'll keep coming back whenever we're craving Korean comfort food. And since we're planning our trip to Korea soon, trying Korean dishes here makes us even more excited to experience the real thing when we travel there. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What Korean dish should we try next? Or is there another Korean restaurant here in Winnipeg you recommend? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you again for joining us today, and I'll see you in my next vlog. This is Aprilyn from Canada to the world. Until next time, bye for now, explorers!